all the strategies of the king of Syria have fallen flat, because there seems to be a stranger amongst them. And listen to what he gets. King, my lord, it is none of us, but there is a certain prophet among the Israelites, a certain Elisha, that reveals to the people of Israel even what we discuss in our bed chambers. I wish that all of you would prophesy, because the spirit of prophecy is the testimony of Jesus. See, prophecy is greater than speaking in tongues. 1 Corinthians. Intimamente one kasana betie na miyeye misewo mamiti. See, there is a God that reveals mysteries. He reveals deep and profound things. Did he not reveal to Joseph the interpretation of the dream of Pharaoh? And did he not reveal to Joseph the fate of the servants of Pharaoh? And did he not reveal to Joseph his own fate as a young boy? There is a God that reveals mysteries in the 90s, the same God that gives songs in the midnight. There is a God that speaks. See, he reveals his word, his plan, his voice, his blueprint. Listen, there's a blueprint in heaven, and there's a voice of God that is still speaking. Where is the ear that is listening? Where is the servant of God that is ready to hear the voice of the Lord? I will that all of you will prophesy, because prophecy is greater than speaking in tongues. Mente Wo.